Welcome back to our channel. I'm Sri.
And I'm Sophia.
And we are the Dream Chasers.
We love science and anything related to the universe.
So today we're going to be making fizz rocks.
You will need a large tray or mixing bowl, a spoon, plastic wrap, and a small container.
You will also need baking soda, black food coloring, and galaxy glitter.
We're going to open the baking soda. Now we're going to put the baking soda into the tray. There is no exact measurement, so you can put any amount.
We're going to make a lot of fizz rocks, so we're going to add more baking soda. We're going to put some cold water into this container.
Now we're going to add some black food coloring to the water.
We decided to add a bit of blue and purple to make it more like a galaxy.
Let's do it. We are now going to mix the food coloring up and put it into the tray along with the baking soda. Sri, are you ready to pour it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Whoa.
Looks so cool. It looks like the North Pole, the water and then the ice.
Yeah, exactly. Now we're gonna mix it up. Wow, it looks so cool. If your mix is too liquidy like ours, all you gotta do is add a bit more baking soda. If it's too dry, just add a bit more water.
So we're gonna add more baking soda. I'm mixing it, but make sure you mix it up very well so it's like this. Now we're gonna add the glitter to make it look like stars. So I'm gonna add some blue.
I'm gonna add some purple. Whoa. Oh my god.
So
I think this is enough. And
You need gold though, too.
Yeah, here's some gold. Wow. Okay.
And now we mix it. It looks so pretty.
While Suri's still mixing, I'm going to cut up some squares from the plastic wrap to put our fizz balls in. We're going to make our fizz balls, but we suggest wearing gloves because the baking soda can irritate your skin.
I'm ready to make our first fizz ball, and Sophie's gonna help me with the scoops when I'm gonna be making the balls.
Okay, here you go.
Now we're gonna put it right in the center, like that.
I'm ready to make mine. Whoa.
A lot.
Ew, this feels so gooey.
It feels like sandy dough, kind of like kinetic sand.
Okay, now I'm going to put it in the center of this.
Now we're gonna use all this mixture to make all the rest.
Now we're going to wrap our fizz balls into the plastic wrap.
They're ready. Now we're gonna freeze them for a couple of hours.
The fizz balls are frozen, so now we're going to take 3 out of the plastic wrap.
It's so cold.
It feels like sand, but like soaking sand, like wet sand.
Now we're gonna add vinegar to the fizz rocks to see what happens.
Oh my
They're
gosh.
fizzling.
Whoa.
The blue is starting to come out more.
Yeah, and the most circled one is really white, and there's bubbles everywhere. Let's add more vinegar. It's like when you open a soda can, all the fizz comes out. And the glitter keeps falling out along with the liquid.
Yeah, and there's a lot of bubbles too.
I'm gonna touch it and see how it feels.
It's so squishy. It's just like goo.
So
It's
soft.
not like a rock anymore.
Oh, that one just melted. It's turning a darker blue as we touch it.
These two are still like rocks and stiff. This one just melted into goo. Look how it turned out. It's now liquidy and very, I guess, sandy.
Yeah.
We just observed the 3 states of matter, which is solid, liquid, and gas.
The solid was the frozen baking soda.
The liquid was the vinegar.
The baking soda and vinegar created the gas, which was carbon dioxide.
And that, my friends, is science.
This was our science space experiment.
I hope you guys enjoyed our video and that you guys tried it too.
See you guys next time. Bye.